The Apple TV 2025 is gearing up to be one of the biggest upgrades Apple has ever made in the streaming world. This isn't just a small refresh, it's a leap forward that combines powerful performance, console-level gaming, futuristic features, and smart home integration. And the best part? Apple is aiming to price it under $100, making it one of the most affordable yet powerful streaming devices ever released. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know: performance, design, gaming, smart features, AI, accessories, and of course, the expected release window. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal not just the launch timeframe, but also the rumored price strategy Apple is considering for holiday shoppers. Performance powerhouse at the heart of the Apple TV 2025 is the A17 Pro chip, the same chip powering the latest iPhones. This isn't just a small processor. It's Apple's most advanced mobile chip yet. With it, the Apple TV can finally deliver console-level gaming, hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and next-gen graphics performance. Imagine playing high-end games right on your TV, no console needed, while also enjoying smoother apps, faster navigation, and seamless multitasking. This makes the Apple TV 2025 not just a streaming device, but a true entertainment powerhouse. Connectivity like never before. Apple is also making a big jump in connectivity. The Apple TV 2025 comes with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, two of the most advanced standards currently available. What does that mean for you? Ultra-fast streaming speeds, lag-free gaming performance, seamless pairing with accessories, reduced latency for headphones, speakers, and controllers. This is perfect for households filled with smart devices, ensuring that everything connects smoothly without delays. Smart Home Hub and Siri Upgrade. Apple has been quietly pushing its smart home ecosystem, and the Apple TV 2025 is going to be a central piece of that puzzle. With enhanced Siri integration and broad device compatibility, it won't just be your streaming device, it will be the hub of your connected home. You'll be able to control lights, locks, thermostats, and more directly through your Apple TV. And thanks to Siri's improved AI capabilities, it will feel more natural, faster, and more personal than ever before. Future-ready features. Now here's where things get really interesting. Rumors suggest the Apple TV 2025 could come with a built-in FaceTime camera. Yes, you heard that right. Video calling straight from your TV. Imagine sitting on your couch and taking FaceTime calls on the big screen, whether it's family catch-ups or even business meetings. On top of that, Apple is reportedly working on gesture controls, letting you navigate menus or pause play content with simple hand movements. This could completely change how we interact with our TVs. Design, durability, and feel. Apple has always been known for its premium designs, and the Apple TV 2025 is no different. It features a sleek, minimalist frame with a thickness of just 13mm at its slimmest point. The body is made of aluminum alloy, giving it both sturdiness and a premium feel. The edge-to-edge glass panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability against scratches and accidental drops. Even the bezels have been smoothed out to avoid sharp edges, giving it a refined and futuristic look. This design makes the Apple TV 2025 not just functional, but also a beautiful addition to any living room setup. Imaging, hardware, and camera setup. Here's a surprising twist. Rumors point to the Apple TV 2025 featuring a dedicated camera system, possibly with a 24MP plus 108MP dual sensor setup. If true, this would make it one of the most advanced streaming devices ever, offering features like night mode for low-light calls and recordings, adjustable apertures for brighter and sharper images, high-resolution video support for FaceTime and content creation, pro-level zoom for versatile framing. This could open the door for new apps and creative use cases, making the Apple TV more than just a passive streaming box. AI and tracking features. The Apple TV 2025 isn't just about raw power, it's also about intelligence. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, it supports advanced AI features like voice recognition for personalized experiences, smart content recommendations based on your viewing habits, hands-free Siri commands for controlling apps, games, and smart home devices. For example, you could say, "Siri, show me something similar to the last movie I watched," and it will curate content instantly. This makes Apple TV not just smarter, but more personal and adaptive than ever. Resolution, gaming, and multitasking. When it comes to display, the Apple TV 2025 supports up to 4K resolution with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Backed by 8GB of RAM, it ensures smooth app switching, Fast gaming performance and crisp visuals. Pair that with ray tracing and console-level graphics, and you're looking at one of the best gaming experiences you can get on a device this compact. And for multitaskers, it means faster app switching, no freezing, and buttery smooth animations across the entire UI, accessories, and ecosystem. Apple is expected to push accessories with this release. From multi-speaker setups for immersive surround sound to next-gen gaming controllers, the Apple TV 2025 will likely support a wide range of add-ons. And with Bluetooth 6, you can expect multiple devices to connect seamlessly without lag, whether it's headphones, keyboards, or gamepads. This makes the Apple TV not just a single device, but the center of an entertainment ecosystem. Release date and price. So, when can you get your hands on it? All signs point to a launch in October or November 2025, perfectly timed for the holiday shopping season. And with Apple targeting a price under $100, it's set to disrupt the streaming device market in a big way. Final verdict, the Apple TV 2025 is shaping up to be far more than just a streaming box. With its A17 Pro chip, console-level gaming, smart home integration, FaceTime camera, gesture controls, AI-powered personalization, it's designed to be the centerpiece of your home entertainment and automation setup. And at under $100, Apple is clearly aiming to make it accessible to everyone. So, will this finally be the device that replaces your console, your smart home hub, and even your video calling setup all in one? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Touch Trove and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth look at the latest tech. The Apple TV 2025 is set to redefine home entertainment. Priced under $100, this compact powerhouse is powered by the A17 Pro chip, delivering console-level gaming performance, hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and buttery smooth app experiences. Connectivity gets a huge boost with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, ensuring ultra-fast streaming speeds, lag-free gaming, and seamless pairing with accessories. With enhanced Siri integration, the Apple TV 2025 also doubles as a smart home hub, making it more than just a streaming device. Rumors suggest exciting upgrades like a built-in FaceTime camera for big-screen video calls and gesture controls for intuitive navigation. Combined with its sleek aluminum design, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and support for up to 4K resolution with 8GB RAM, this device is ready to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price. Expected to launch in October or November 2025, the Apple TV 2025 could be Apple's biggest streaming revolution yet, offering power, design, AI, and smart home integration in one package. All signs point to a launch in October or November 2025, perfectly timed for the holiday shopping season. And with Apple targeting a price under $100, it's set to disrupt the streaming device market in a big way.